Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Castro here at YS Stocks. And I wanted to go over one thing with you guys. Something that we really truly pride ourselves at YS Stocks is the accuracy of information that we give to our communities, our subscribers, when it comes to the weekly plays. So the weekly play is an option that you can actually purchase every week. And believe it or not, for the last 2, 3, 4, 5 months, these plays have continuously been 85 to 90% effective when it comes to actually buying them at the right price that we let you guys know, and then sell them whenever you see profits, right? One of our hashtags is see profits, take profits. So you have to make sure that when you see profits, you execute and take profits. Of course, we have other tools that we use, such as the WISE planning tool, which is a proactive approach in actually trading, right? So having a straight up trading plan in order for you to get into a play, knowing when to enter, when to get out, when to set up a stop loss, and where you're going to set up the stop loss, and so on and so forth, right? And also the why you get into that play. But for this iteration, I just want to show you guys how accurate we've been for the last almost month and a half, right? For as far as all the plays that we give in the community. So we're going to start here with this one in particular, right? Bed Bath & Beyond. So the way that we like to do this, we like to do the week in which we give the play out. Then we give the ticker, Bed Bath & Beyond, for this one. The strategy, 17 puts expiring the 15th October, as you can see here. And also, we wanted our members to buy the January 2023 25 calls, which was the leap. The catalyst, again, you guys know, any piece of information that moves the market or stock, that's what a catalyst is. And then the beauty of it, though, the icing on the cake, is that we do a technical analysis video. We do a chart analysis. We look at the sentiment of the market, and we let you guys know why we feel like this stock is going to do well, right? Again, Bed Bath & Beyond, remember that, 15 puts expiring on the 15th October. And remember, we were supposed to buy it on the 4th of October, which is Monday. We gave this out on Sunday, and Monday, boom, we get together, right? And then we trade it together, right? So check this one out in particular. All right, so here we are, Bed Bath & Beyond, right? And what you're going to see here, right, this particular date here already highlighted was the 4th of October, which you can see right here, 4th of October. So this trade, you could have purchased it when the bell opened for 1626. And look, the stock went as low $13.95. From 16, see, it hit 14.39 here, right? It went as low as 13.98. And this particular trade here, believe it or not, it costs less than $1, right, for the premium. So this was like maybe 80, 90 cents. You could have easily made money, because puts, when you buy a put, you're betting that the stock is going to go down. And that's exactly what the stock did. And as you saw, we also recommended to buy the 25 calls expiring on January 2022. If you don't remember seeing it, let's check it out again, right? We're going to go right back to it, right? Strategy, Bed Bath & Beyond, 25 call, 20 January 2023 expiration date, right? And look what happened. Boom, it went from $14. Bed Bath & Beyond took off. It closed here at $25, right? Some of our members who really got into this trade made a lot of money, guys. Made a lot of money on this particular trade here, right? I had about 30 contracts on it, right? Did I think it was going to hit $25 in less than 2 weeks? No, I did not know that. But I had compelling evidence that this is a really solid company, and they were restructuring their business, and I knew that this was coming, right? I don't know how soon it was coming, but I knew this was coming. So we made money here for the puts, and boom, we made some more money here for the calls, right? So this particular trade here, I did pretty good, actually. I made enough for this particular trade. So that's one trade, right? So that's one of one, right? You guys keep track of this. Another trade that we got into was Mara, right? M-A-R-A, right? You guys see here for Mara, we have the date in which we gave it, the week, right? The 18th and the 22nd, right, of October 2020, 2021. That's the day we gave that to the community. The ticker is Mara, right? M-A-R-A. Strategy, you guys can see here 49 call, expiring the 22nd or the 29th of October. Right, more time equates to less risk, right? So we really was urging folks to get into this one. The catalyst again, right? Why do we feel that this stock was going to go up, or this ETF? The technical analysis. We presented this one when we actually met on Monday and we traded this one together, right? So this again, 49 call, expiring the 22nd of October to be purchased during this week. Ideally, you want to purchase on the 18th of October, right? So let's see what happened for this particular trade. Right, so we're gonna go to October 18th. So this is October 18th, right here, this day. October 18th. So if you'd have purchased Mara for remember we bought the 49 call, right? If you'd have bought the 49 call for Mara, let's say you would have bought it for 50 bucks, right? Let's say you would have bought it for 49.73. Right? Literally 2 days later, Mara peaked at 56.43. Right? You purchase here on that Monday, and look what happened. By Wednesday, it peaked. Selling opportunity. Buy here, sell here, right? Easy trade. Another successful trade. 49, it went from $49 all the way to $50, $56. And this one costs less than $2. So if you would have bought it for 50, let's say 50 bucks, right? 52, you break even, and you would have made $400 per contract. Easy trade, right? Accuracy, that's 2 of 2. So let's check another one out. And you can see here that this has not been edited, right? No edits. And this was posted October 18th, right? Let's check another trade. All right, these were some other dividend stocks we purchased. Apple. This is the last one before we go into the one that we actually put out last week. You guys have been seeing Apple been churning it up for as last of last week. Apple just been on a tear. But this particular trade, right? We really love this one because Apple had been consolidating for quite some time. And on top of that, it had unusual option activity and it had just posted earnings. So we expected it to retrace back and to fill that gap to the upside, right? And we also were looking into some potential upgrades, which actually didn't come for this one, right? But we had the technical analysis video here in which we captured what we thought Apple was going to do. And we gave this one the week of 1st to the 5th of November as the weekly play. Ticker is Apple. Strategy 149, 150 call, expiring the 5th of November, right? Remember, different reasons why we got into this trade. And these are the reasons here, the catalyst, right? So Apple in particular, right? This was a beautiful, beautiful trade for setup, right? And let's check it out. So November 1st was here. This day was November 1st. You guys can see, right? You can see the date on the bottom right here when I hover through November 1st, right? So what I did for this one, the 49, right? And if you would have purchased on that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? You could have sold on Tuesday. You could have sold on Wednesday. It went to 52 bucks. Right here, it went from 49 to 52, Yeah, roughly $52 on Wednesday. It hit a high of 52.46 on Thursday, right? So this, again, another successful trade, right? Boom, you would have purchased here on this date on Monday for 48.90, right? 92, and easily sold on any one of these days here for at $52.05, right? Boom, bought Monday, sold Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Another easy trade, right? Again, accuracy. That's what we really pride ourselves on. The fact that we do these trades over and over and over again. You guys seen only 3 of them. And if you guys will see even, for the entire month, it's the same synopsis over and over again. These trades just keep happening, right? We keep giving our community members accurate information in order for them to easily make money. A lot of people get into these communities, they don't teach you anything. Not only do we give you a trade every week here, but we also teach you why we get into the trade, what we seen in the trade. And this is what we saw in particular for Apple. We saw a gap that had to be filled, right? Saw the gap being filled here. We thought it was going to bounce off the strong bounce off the 200. We saw that here, boom, bounced off, right? Good volume, closed the good volume, and this gap had to be filled, right? People did really well on this one, right? With patience, people did really well on this one. So let's look at one more, right? You know what? Let's look at 2 more because, we're 3 out of 3 so far. People can be like, oh, yeah, that's easy. Let's look at, so Cody. We talked about Cody here as a 9 call, and we said only get into it if it beats earnings, right? Caveat, high risk due to earnings on the 8th of November before the market opens. Same thing again. We gave the catalyst, we gave the technical analysis. This one, we didn't do a video. We talked about, how we expected Cody to do really well in the future, right? And we gave this one out on the 8th to the 12th of November, right? This one, another trade that did just exactly what we thought it was going to do, right? Cody beat earnings, and Cody just rallied for the upside. Remember, this was a 9 call expiring on the 19th of November. So let's see exactly what Cody did for the 19th of November, for the week of the 8th to the 12th of November, because that's when we gave the trade, all right? So here, right, Cody beat earnings, right? I know you're saying, oh, Castro erased here, right? Yeah, Cody beat earnings, but when the market opened, remember, right? The stock opened up here at 10.09. It closed here at 10.69. So the point is, though, if you were to enter this trade, and we got in this trade too, anytime over here, right? Let's say you got at 10.20. If you got it at 10.21, right? And this one was it cost like 30 to 40 cents to get in this trade, right? It hit 10.89, 10.81, sorry, right? It went as high as 11.09, right? 1, 2, 3 days, 4 days, right? So you could have easily got out this trade. Let's say you would have got out of it like here at 10.96. Say 10.90. You could have easily got out this trade at 10.90 if you'd have bought it here. Remember, this one in particular, it cost like 20 to 30 cents. So you only needed Cody to move 20 to 30 cents. Then after that, you were in profits, 40 cents, right? Very, very affordable trade right here, right? Boom, it went all the way to 10.90, right? $11, right? You could have got at 11 bucks. I'm being conservative. You could have got at 10.90 though. Or you could have got at 10.90 on day 2, on that Tuesday. But the fact that this was another successful trade, it says that 4 out of 4, right? We were accurate once again and giving you guys easy plays, affordable plays, right? Nothing that costs $1,000, $2,000 just to enter each position to buy a contract in. Another successful trade. ATVI, the same thing, did well, right? This is a stock that we gave our community. We talked about it while we thought it was a compelling one. But the trade that we got into right now, and we gave this to the community on November 19th, on Friday, was LEN, right? And LEN in particular, right, did really, really well, really, really well. And we got into this one in particular because we felt that truly LEN was going to do well. And let me show you guys exactly what happened here, right? All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back. Hopefully you guys didn't leave. So yeah, so where was I? LEN, right? Lennar. Lennar is a home builder, as we know. And we got really excited about this trade. And for the reason that we captured here within our technical analysis, right? We put a nice article for this one in particular, though, and we'll see what happens with this one, right? This security, Lennar, we think is going to do well. We encourage our members to buy the 110 to the 115 cost spread expiring the 17th of December, right? LEN. So this one has not played out yet, but I promise you, right? If this one doesn't play out, I don't know. It's probably going to ruin our record. But as you guys can see, 5 out of 5 so far. 100% accuracy as far as people making profits, and really, really good trading, and finding something that's very, very affordable when it comes to like premium, right? Something that's worth that costs you less than $2 to buy, right? So LEN, be on the lookout for this one. We'll see how this one plays out, and we'll do another video just to see where it's at, right? But the last thing I want to talk about, a trade that we gave the community on Friday, right? Here, put out purchase 30 SPY, right? Purchase 30 SPY. I circled this one as possibilities in which people can buy, expiring November 22nd SPY, right? People got in, right? Sean got in, Kevin got in, purchase 10, right? K Child's purchased some too, right? I put this out at 12 midnight, right? Midnight, 12:33. At 2:09, took profits. This is my time, right? Took profits, 100% profits. So if he bought 10 of these for, let's say, let's round it off to $2,000. If he spent $1,500 or $2,000 in it, he took profits in an hour and 30 minutes, right? 100% profits. Todd took profits as well. He got in, took profits, right? Took profits. You got to see it, right? Everybody took profits, good trades, right? These are some of the watch lists I put out there, possibilities for us, potentials, right? Macy's, great, right? Calls, and then the point is that this community here, right? We give you, not only do we give you plays in which you can invest in, but we also dabble into other things like dividend stock, growth stocks, value stocks, right? And but the plays is what really makes you money. The fact you don't even have to do anything. You just got to buy and sell and use your planning tool. We have this nice planning tool in which allows you to take a proactive approach in actually investing, right? Or even trading. So check this planning tool out. This is a tool that I created a while ago. Like whenever I trade, this is what I'm using all the time, right? That ticker that I mentioned, this is the YS planning tool. ATVI, catalyst. Why am I getting in this play? Unusual option activity and Fibonacci retracement. Where am I buying, right? At the EMA, below the RSI, profit zones, I determine that. 15, 25 to 30% profits. Stop. If it doesn't go my way, where am I going to stop, right? What did I buy? The 68 call. That's the one that I showed you guys. It costs $1.68 premium, right? If you buy one of them, one contract, you pay $168. And this one in particular, if you sell it at $500, you make $332, right? It does the math for you. Then it gives you here your total profits and loss based on the trades that you get in, right? That's options. We have leaps here, things that we're buying long-term equity anticipation securities that we're buying out for a year, right? Right. These are some of my stocks that I own, that we own, right? About 20, 30 of them. ETFs we own, crypto we own, right? Also over the counters that we own. Yeah, this is just a proactive approach for us to take and look at what we're going to invest in and how we're going to get into it. But the key here I want to really show you guys is like week after week, we give out a play, a weekly play. And that play has been profitable for the last, well, I would tell you this, you can ask our members, 80 to 100% of the time, these plays are profitable. And that's pretty spot on, right? But we also teach mitigating risk. We always set up stop loss, because sometimes things are not going to go as we plan, right? That's why it's important that you want to set up a stop loss. But again, if you don't have a community that gives you an option to trade with an accuracy of what I just showed you, what we just showed you, then you're in the wrong community, right? You're definitely in the wrong community. And we teach you how to do this on your own as well. Teach a man how to fish. Iron sharpens iron. I always say this, always practice logic over emotions, right? When you're trading, when you're investing, and see you guys at the finish line. Peace.